Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then go to the reset options, and here you have to select the last option, factory data reset, then tap reset phone to proceed, and then tap erase everything to confirm whole operation. After that, your device will be restarted in a few minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.